Alright, hey everybody, I figured I'd do a 6-month update on my W800 Cafe, and I've done a few mods to it. Last video I posted, I showed that I replaced the handlebars with the standard W800 bars. Like I said before, I did have to rotate this nut on there and spin the hose. I had to loosen these and rotate them. I had to put this side on first, and then it kind of fell into place. Still kind of tight, but it worked. And then this went right on. And then I added the factory Kawasaki chrome throttle body covers on both sides. Kawasaki has one where it's like on the right hand side there's two of them with the two different part numbers. I couldn't figure out what the difference was, so I just ordered the cheaper ones. Seems to work. And of course I added the rear grab rail, and the biggest thing to change up was the seat. Now this is the seat off of the W800 Street that our friends in Canada got that we were not able to get down here in the United States. It is hands down superior to the Cafe seat. It's more comfortable, it's padded, it grips you better. It's just a far better seat. Now I know that these were not very popular, and I can understand why, because when I bought it the bars were just god awful. Because I was looking at a Triumph before I bought this, and I found it here at my local dealership here in Kansas City, and they had it marked down to 5,800. And I was like, all right, it looks like a Triumph, rides like a Triumph, and why not? So that's what I ended up doing. But then, like I said, first thing I upgraded was the bars, and they are fantastic now. They aren't completely terrible and uncomfortable. Then I did the rear grab bar just for looks, because I felt it needed something back there. And then the side covers and the seat, I got about another $1,000 maybe in upgrades, and it substantially makes the bike a hell of a lot cooler. Now it's kind of a combination of all three models, and now it's perfect. I don't know what I'd ever trade it in for on something else. Thanks for watching. Bye.